Hello friends, today's recipe is that of turmeric baked chicken. So line a pan with aluminium foil and then add a dash of olive oil, about a tablespoon or so, and then place the chicken thighs. Now I'm using thighs. I always like to use thighs over breasts, but you could also use chicken breasts here. Make sure there's not much water on the chicken pieces. You can blot dry using a paper towel, and then we are just going to add all the seasoning here. So that's about a teaspoon of sea salt. You can add less, and then I have half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And I'm using garlic powder here since it's a baked recipe, and so it's much easier to use the dried powder. And then also half a teaspoon of dried thyme. And next we are adding the star ingredient here, and that's turmeric. I'm adding about half a teaspoon. You can add slightly more too, if you like. And then I have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. That's fresh lemon juice that I had just squeezed. And then just a little bit, like about a tablespoon of olive oil, and just mix everything well right on the pan. Now you could mix everything separately in another bowl and then add it here, but since there's turmeric here, it tends to stain the bowl yellow. So, and plus, this recipe is an easy recipe, and I'm trying to avoid a lot of cleanup or cleaning the dishes, so this is perfect. Just kind of add it to the pan, and as you can see how I'm kind of mixing it easily, with my hands, gently massaging it, and then also moving all the pieces, making sure that all the pieces have an equivalent amount of all the spice mixture or the marinade. So just you can do that. I just find it easier to do it this way. And now all we need to do is bake this. So I have my oven preheating at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and now I'm going to bake this for about 15 minutes. At 15 minutes I am going to flip it. So I'm just flipping each piece over, turning it to the other side, and then I'm going to bake again for about 10 minutes. And if you're doing chicken breast, then the baking time should be even lower if you're doing chicken breast instead of thighs. And there you see, this is total baking time of 25 minutes, and see how nicely done the chicken pieces are. And now what you need to do, this is a very important step. The last step, but an important step, and that is actually while they are hot, right, just out of the oven, you immediately cover it with aluminium foil and seal it and keep it aside until you serve. And now when it's ready to serve, see how juicy and moist the chicken pieces look. By the way, this recipe will make 2 portion sizes if you are going to pair it with either salad or vegetables. Hope you like this recipe, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.